In this video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer money from Coinbase to Coinbase Advanced. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. You will be able to transfer any amount of money or crypto from your Coinbase account to Coinbase Advanced. So first, all that you have to do is access Coinbase Advanced. You can do this through a web browser on your computer, or you can use the mobile app on your phone. Whenever you are logged into your Coinbase account in Coinbase Advanced, you will be able to select the deposit option. And usually you will get the options to deposit Bitcoin or maybe other crypto assets and then your local currency. All that you have to do in here is choose the appropriate option. So usually when you select deposit crypto assets, so Bitcoin for example, you will then receive the QR code and the wallet address that you can use in conjunction with Coinbase. So all that you have to do now is go over to your Coinbase standard wallet and choose the option to transfer Bitcoin. When you deposit it into the Coinbase advanced wallet address, you will be able to receive it there and essentially use it to trade crypto assets. Alternatively, if you choose the option to deposit money, you will then be able to input any of the necessary details from the payment methods available on that page. So usually this is going to be a bank account or a standard debit card. But as long as you choose either of these options and you follow the instructions on screen, you will be able to get this done and deposit any amount of Bitcoin or local currency as needed. If you choose to deposit real money in your local currency, you will have to add your bank account. So stuff like the reference number, recipient's name, sort code, account number, and so on. Once everything is entered, you will be able to receive the money inside of Coinbase Advanced and you can use it to trade assets. If you don't want to use Coinbase Advanced, you will be able to disable it and go back to the standard Coinbase application on your PC or phone. I hope I was able to help you on how to transfer money from Coinbase to Coinbase Advanced. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.